Jacob?
It's a bat. Oh, it's a Batman piggy bank.
Awesome.
It got coins.
That is where you put your coins. Oh, can you show me?
Awesome.
Show me how cool that is. That's so cool. What do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome, Jacob.
Everyone and me got piggy banks.
Yeah, they're pretty neat, huh?
But it doesn't got coins in it.
Not yet. I think there's a couple of little envelopes over there that have some coins in there that you can put in them. Do you see the little white envelopes on the floor? By the tree. They're white. White rectangles.
Like rectangles?
Yes, look for the white rectangle on the floor. Look over here. Down, right there. Do you see a white rectangle on the floor? One of them has your name on it, one of them has Evelyn's name on it.
That one's
Wait,
Evelyn.
That one's Evelyn's. Bring that one here. Okay, the other one is yours. You can put all of your coins in your piggy bank. Can you open it? Oh, there's paper money in there too, sweetie. That's paper money. Sweetie, hey, that's paper money. It goes inside your piggy bank too. Can you say thank you to Grandma and Grandpa Phelan?
Thank you, Grandma, Grandpa's flesh. Thank you.
You can put all your coins in there.
That's all my coins.
Put them in a little slot.
What are you smiling about? Huh? What are you smiling about? I think she's discovered her bottom lip. She's sucking on it. Oh. Hi. Here, do you want to put Evelyn's in hers?
Go we open another present before the battery dies on the camera.
Okay, go open another present.
Open another present.
Go get that one over there.
There's more presents over here too that came out of the
I
same
know.
box.
Go get that one over there.
That one.
Yeah, the green one.
The green one.
Yeah. Who's that one for?
It's for me.
Are you sure? Let me see.
It's for me.
No, it's for Mommy and Daddy. Okay, go get another one.
Look.
Oh, what did you find back there?
Bring it out here.
Can you get it?
No. I can't. Not just until I get all of the presents.
Okay, get the rest of the presents out. What is that back there, though? Wait, who's that for?
It's for me.
No, I think that's for Mommy. Yep, that one's for Mommy. Okay, no, keep going. Go, there's more. Get all the presents out, and then you can get from what's behind the tree. Let me see, who's it for?
It's for me.
No, where are the names on it?
Yeah,
On
that's
the other
fine.
side. Yep, that is for you. That's from Grandma and Grandpa Starrett.
Come open it over here.
Open it over there so Daddy can see you.
Ooh, ahoy.
Noodles. Yours. Don't say boy.
It's It's a matching card game with Jake and the Neverland Pirates.
It's a Pirates game. What do you say?
Thank you.
Welcome, darling.
Okay, there's more presents.
Open up some more presents.
We'll open those later.
No, later.
Over there. So you get the packages.
Who's that one for?
It's for me.
Probably. But show it to mommy just to
Yeah,
be sure.
let me see. Nope, that's for both of you. That's for Jacob and Evelyn.
Good
I
help.
think that one was supposed to be opened last night. I missed that one.
Yep.
Hi. Yeah.
I'm not going to play again later. Not later. Play it. Play the game.
What is that, Jacob?
It's a Santa Claus book.
It's a Santa Claus book.
Yes.
Awesome.
About him.
What do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome, sweetie.
That one's for Jacob from Mommy and Daddy.
I want to open it.
Okay, open it. Except if we're done.
What is it, Jacob?
These are my blocks.
Ooh.
Who's on those blocks? Jacob, who's on the blocks? Don't be
That's
sad.
Mickey and the Pops.
Purple monkey. Purple monkey. Purple monkey.
This is the pump, but this is
Yeah. Purple monkey.
Mm.
Ooh.
What do you say to mommy and daddy?
thank you.
You're welcome.
I want to play.
Let's play. Get another present.
There's more presents.
There's so many more presents.
Oh.
There's more presents here.
Yeah. More presents, less battery.
That one's for you from Mommy and Daddy. Open.
Bye.
Why are you so sad? Why are you sad?
What is this?
Oh, come here.
Jacob, go back to the other present that you just opened. That white box, Jacob.
What's in the white box? You didn't open the box.
The box.
The white box.
What's in the
You
box?
opened that present and there was a white box in it. What's inside the white box? Jacob, Right here, there's a white box.
White box.
The one you just opened right next to your Mickey blocks.
So he unwrapped it and did open the box?
Yeah, pretty much.
You've been practicing this all morning. You should have it by now.
Look what's in here.
I don't know, open it and find out. Oh, you feel better now. What is that?
It's more jammies.
No, it's just a t-shirt.
A t-shirt.
Yeah. What's on it though?
It's too big for me.
No, what's on the t-shirt?
The train.
A train. There's a theme. Ooh.
Okay, go ahead. Now you can open that one.
Violet is planking.
This is for you, Daddy.
It's for me.
Yes.
It is for Daddy, actually.
Oh, good job, Jacob.
It's banks for you.
That's for Daddy.
Bring it to me.
And then it will start happening. And then a storm will blow the presents away.
Okay, those presents on the floor there, I think, are all for you.
Yeah. You still have that present behind the tree, though, that you can probably get now. We still have batteries.
Can you get? Yeah, can you get it out?
Yes, I can.
He's afraid to touch the tree.
It's okay. The tree's not spiky. It won't hurt you.
But
It's
spiky.
it's a
not
Christmas
hurt
tree.
you.
It might tickle you, but it won't hurt you.